Have you ever thought of adding flowers to your dishes? Imagine the burst of unique flavors, vibrant colors, and aesthetic appeal they can bring to your table. Today, we will introduce you to the top 5 edible flowers that will elevate your culinary creations. First on our list is nasturtiums. These vibrant flowers introduce a peppery kick, akin to watercress, making them perfect for salads and garnishes. Bursting with vitamin C and A, they're a healthful addition to your meals. Nasturtiums, a peppery delight for your salads and garnishes. Next up, we have violets. These delicate purple blooms offer a sweet floral flavor, adding an elegant touch to desserts and beverages. Loaded with vitamin C and antioxidants, violets not only elevate your dishes but also boost your health. Violets, a sweet surprise for your desserts and beverages. Thirdly, let's talk about pansies. These vibrant flowers have a mild minty flavor, perfect to garnish salads and desserts. They're packed with antioxidants, boosting your health while adding a splash of color. Pansies, a colorful addition to your gourmet dishes. Fourth on our list is marigolds. Bursting with a spicy, tangy flavor, marigolds are perfect for adding a zesty kick to your savory dishes. Beyond taste, they're packed with antioxidants and vitamin C. Marigolds, a spicy twist for your savory dishes. Last but not least, we have borage. This delightful flower boasts a taste reminiscent of cucumber, making it a perfect addition to your refreshing summer dishes. Plus, it's packed with health benefits, including anti-inflammatory properties. Borage, a cucumber-like flavor for your refreshing summer dishes. Now you are equipped with knowledge about these edible flowers. From the peppery kick of nasturtiums, the sweet charm of violets, the vibrant allure of pansies, the citrusy zing of marigolds, to the cucumber-like freshness of borage. Each flower brings unique flavors and colors, waiting to elevate your culinary creations. With this newfound knowledge, let your imagination run wild and your taste buds explore the uncharted territory of edible flowers. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting and useful content. Happy cooking!